Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Vechain. If we're looking across the market, if you guys are living under a rock, you guys would not know what's happening with the markets. But if you're not, you guys are aware as to what's happening within the markets. We are looking at altcoins finally moving towards the upside. BTC dominance has been pulling down, causing a lot of altcoins to finally start exploding. Look at the last 7 days. Majority of the altcoins are up, and even the last 24 hours. So nonetheless, you guys can see that the hype factor is coming into the play, and Arbitrum up 26.8%. Also going to be making an update on that for you guys. But let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Vechain. What's happening? Where are we going in the immediate short term? So let's get right into it. Looking at the price of Vechain right now, it is currently trading at 0.026 cents, up 5.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 3.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is slowly but surely approaching that $2 billion mark, with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $69.2 million. But now let's focus on the price and see what's happening and where I could potentially see Vechain going in the upcoming very near future. As always, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you guys can see we are currently sitting at almost 2.6 cents, and now you might be saying, oh, that's absolutely crazy, Vechain is not moving, XYZ. Let's bring this to you guys. So if you picked up some Vechain on March 12th at 1.97 cents mark, guess what? You're already up 31.5%. So I don't want to hear anyone come and say that Vechain has not moved. It stayed stagnant. Remember, 31% since its dip is quite an impressive move. And if you don't think that's the case, then I don't even have any words to explain to you guys. People that have been in the markets, that are educated on how these markets work, and the importance of patience, know that this recovery that Vechain has done in just a matter of a couple of weeks is quite impressive, and should get praised on about this, and shows that interest is there for itself. And right now we are sitting at some prices that we have not seen for more than a month, because look what's happening with BTC dominance. It's pulling down, but Bitcoin remains high. So a lot of profit is going back into altcoins. Ethereum is pumping. Ethereum is going absolutely insane, and I believe that could be a catalyst to see altcoins start moving, which so far is happening. And right now what I'm seeing with Vechain is exactly what we want to be seeing happen. Remember, this right here is a consolidation phase that we've been in during the bear market, so on our downward trend. So popping out of these consolidation phases is quite hard, because there's a lot of resistance built up around here. But what I'm liking is, what I'm seeing is very nice, and this is exactly what we want to be seeing for Vechain. And I'm very optimistic if BTC continues to trade sideways around this range, and again, if Bitcoin dominance continues to stay towards the downside, then I'm very confident we are about to retest this level of resistance for the first time ever. For the first time ever for 2023. Yes, because the last time was back on August of last year, and we have not broken out of here. So breaking out of here would be very nice to see. We're still about 31% away from that. And guys, in a bull market, those things can happen very fast. And it just, again, it's just my own personal opinion, but it's just so crazy to me to see people in the previous bull cycle. They were taught, let's take Cardano for example, even Vechain, to be quite frank with you guys. I've been covering Vechain when it was way below a penny, and that time around when I was making those videos, people were like, I don't want it. But when all-time highs came about, guess what? Everyone wanted a piece of pie, because we tend to FOMO. That's how our brains think, and that's the last thing you want to be doing. You want to be picking it up when there's so much bloodbath across the board, but no one wants to touch it, and you want to be selling. You want those people that are FOMOing in to be your exit liquidity. And this happens over and over again. Look at Vechain's innovation. If Vechain literally stopped, innovating, then yes, massive red flag. Could be like, this project is not good, but they haven't. They've been partnering. The Vechain Thor blockchain, innovating day by day, here to compete with other blockchains. and it really shows what they're doing. And this bull cycle, if it were to pull all the whatever we're expecting, historically speaking, Bitcoin should be above $100,000, 120, around that range. That were to come about and Vechain were to even remain within this range, the top 37 spot, we could see a lot of people shocked at what Vechain is about to pull. And you don't want to underestimate, guys, I keep saying, you don't want to underestimate this level of resistance, because this level of resistance is insanely important. Because if we crack out of this level of resistance, guys, we could really see Vechain rip into that 4.4 cents mark, and most importantly even start seeing almost 6 cents, which is almost a 3x from here, guys. Like, let me bring out the measuring tool for you guys. That is almost like, yeah, like not 3x, sorry, like almost 1.2x away from these current price levels. So you guys get what I'm trying to say. Clock is ticking, charts speak for themselves. All eyes on this massive level of resistance, guys. Once we break out of here, guys, this is where the party begins, and I will give away $300 worth of Vechain to 1 lucky winners or 2 lucky winners if we crack this resistance level. But thank you so much for all the support. If you guys have not already, guys, if you guys are watching this video and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's free to do. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified whenever I upload videos. And thank you so much for all your support. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.